Every regulated facility generates nonconformances. Most organizations manage them in spreadsheets and auditors notice. A nonconformance is a departure from a specified requirement. It may be a product that fails specification, a process that deviates from its approved procedure, or a material that falls outside acceptance criteria. ISO 13485 Section 8.3 QMSR and ISO 9001 Section 10.2 all require documented procedures for controlling non-conforming product. How those procedures are executed determines audit readiness. The non-conformance lifecycle has 7 stages: detection and capture, classification by severity, containment action, investigation and root cause analysis, disposition decision, CAPA linkage if required, and closure with verification. Every stage requires documentation. Any undocumented gap is an audit finding. A spreadsheet can store NCR data. It cannot enforce a workflow, generate a tamper-evident audit trail, connect root cause to corrective action, or automatically trigger retraining when a training gap is identified. Under FDA inspection, those gaps are visible. eLeaP enforces the full NCR workflow. It maintains a 21 CFR Part 11 compliant audit trail. It automatically creates a CAPA when the NCR investigation warrants one, and it triggers a training assignment when root cause analysis identifies a training gap. When root cause identifies a training gap, eLeaP automatically creates a training assignment. The NCR cannot close until training completion is confirmed. The non-conformance record, the root cause, the training assignment, and the completion evidence are one connected record, visible at audit, not manually assembled before inspection. eLeaP connects every stage of the NCR process in a single system. The platform addresses non-conformance management requirements under ISO 13485 Section 8.3 QMSR and ISO 9001 Section 10.2. All 3 frameworks, one system, one audit trail. eLeaP non-conformance management provides structured NCR capture, severity classification with automatic escalation, disposition workflows, automatic CAPA creation, and retraining assignment on training gap root cause. Closure only when all required evidence is confirmed. The auditor does not ask whether you had a non-conformance. Every regulated facility has them. The question is whether you manage it correctly and whether you can prove it. See the full guide in the description. Subscribe for more compliance content that matters when the auditor arrives.